Hi guys, Namaste. My name is Ravina and I'm so glad that you found my channel. So today we are going to talk about 10 myths that the world believes in about India. So the first myth about India is that India is a poor country. Well, this is not true at all. Yes, I do believe that there are a lot of people who live in extreme poverty. But that doesn't make a country with 1.3 billion people poor. How can you even generalize a whole country just by a small section? Poverty is everywhere around the world. You can even find poverty in US, which is known to be as the richest and strongest country in the world. But that doesn't make the whole US poor. In fact, the Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, is from India. So it's not correct to generalize whole country as poor. Second myth about India is that traveling in India is very dangerous. People around the world believe that there are a lot of snakes roaming around on the streets of India. There are a lot of crimes in India, and especially girls should not travel. It is not safe for girls to travel in India. Yes, I do believe that there are crimes in several parts of India. There are some crimes, serious crimes against women in India, but that doesn't make the whole country a criminal. There are a lot of places in India where you can visit. Even a girl, even I visited a lot of places alone. Third myth about India is that if you have seen Taj Mahal, you have seen entire India. Well, that is not true at all, because Taj Mahal is just one of the monuments in India. India have hundreds of beaches, deserts, mountains, lakes, spots, and many palaces. So if you want to visit India, please do not only visit Taj Mahal. There are a lot of things to visit in India as well. Myth number 4 about India is that all the people in India are just running around the trees singing and dancing. Well, good job Bollywood, but this is not true. We have a lot of other things also to do. People study, they go to university, they have their jobs to do. It's not about always dancing and singing that we have to do every day. Myth number 5 about India is that Indian is a language. In fact, there is no such language called Indian. People around the world believe that people in India speak Indian. Well, Indian is a term which is used for the resident of India. In fact, we have 22 official languages and over more than 2000 dialects. Yes, this is our incredible India. Myth number 6 about India is that all Indians are vegetarians. Yes, I know that a majority of people in India are vegetarian. There are thousands of recipes for vegetarian. So any vegetarian out there in the world, you are welcome over here. You'll get a lot of varieties for vegetarian foods. But there are a lot of people in India who are non-vegetarians. So we have a lot of non-vegetarian recipes as well along with the vegetarian recipes. Myth number 7 about India is that Hinduism is the only religion in India. Well, that's absolutely false, because I know there are a lot of Hindu people who live in India, but there are other religion as well. We have Muslims, we have Christians, we have Jains, we have Sikhs in India. So India is not about only Hindu. India is a very diverse country in terms of religions, and all the people live here happily. Myth number 8 is that all Indians have arranged marriage. Yes, I know that arranged marriage has been a very important part in traditional culture of India, but that doesn't mean that in all people in India have arranged marriage. Well, there are a lot of love marriages in India as well, but arranged marriages are still in existence. Myth number 9 is that India is very hot and humid in climate. Not true at all. Many places in India at the same time has completely different season or completely different climate. For example, when there is winter in the north part part of India, there is still summer or monsoon in the major south part of India or in the coastal regions. So India has as high temperature as 49 degrees. At the same time, India has as low as -30 degrees, such as in Siachen in India. You can go to cold places as well. You can experience winter, summer, monsoon, autumn, everything at the same time in India. So India is not only diverse in terms of religion, language or culture, but also diverse in terms of climate and seasons as well. Myth number 10 about India is that Indians can't speak English. Well, this is the myth that world believe in, which irritates or annoys almost all the Indians very much, because 125 million people of India speaks English, which is even more than many countries' population. This thing has also been said by Priyanka Chopra in many of her interviews in the West media, that a lot of people in India speak English. In fact, India is second largest country in terms of speaking English. So next time, if you think that Indians can't speak English, please think again. So that is up for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed my videos and I'm able to clear some of your myths about India. Thank you so much everyone. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have other requests or feedbacks about my channel, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much. Bye.